Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. How was your trading day today? Was it good? Did you make profit? Or was it bad? Did you made loss or did you follow the process? That is a more important question to be asked. See, I am asking these questions regularly so that you understand how you should develop your mindset during the trading time. We discussed that market is currently negative from higher time frame. It is very clearly market is negative because of the structures pointing to the downward direction. I clearly told if market sustains below 23,100 to be on the safe side, then we can immediately see a target of 23,950, 940. Just go back and watch the video yesterday. This 100 points was the easiest trade which we could have captured. I was expecting that the market can go little bit down even further, but it did not go. It just reversed from a no man's land again. The reason why I'm saying it reversed from a no man's land is this high was not retested completely. Whichever there was a gap here, this was not completely retested, and market tried to do an engulfing candle of yesterday's high. And what happened in the closing is, see, all these are very important learning because these will help you to plan your trades or book your profits whenever it comes. So what happened yesterday, there were relative equal highs which were formed in the market as part of opening. That was swept, and market gave a reversal from there. See, whenever equal highs are being formed in the market, there are high chances that the market will go and sweep them. And we also know that market is completely negative. So for market to start to go in a negative trend, it needs more liquidity is found only in the form of equal highs, equal lows, or trend related. People will draw some kind of a trend line here and say like, okay, this point has been met 3 times, 4 times, there are high chances if market comes here, then market. See, I don't follow all these trend lines because those are all blind imaginary lines which you draw in the market, and that is not going to help you to be a successful trader. Always understand the market from a structure perspective and take the market forward from there. So let's go back to little bit higher time frame. We see that market has given a positive closure today. Okay, market was in a negative trend, but this upward moment was pretty good and it gave a positive closure. Today there was two moments which we captured. One was this moment which we discussed happened, one was this moment which we discussed happened. Both these moves were 100 points, not small moves. 100 to 120 points was each of these moves. If you had captured one of them, good for you. If you got trapped in this accumulation zone and ended up losing because of decay, I don't know what to say, because this was clearly another discussion which I said in yesterday's video, that if market remains like this in a range bound, do not trade. Do not even think about trading. I told all these three scenarios. If market goes below this, capture this. If market goes above this, capture this. And if market stays here, don't trade. All these three scenarios happened today. Which of these scenarios did you even trade? Did you trade in this accumulation zone, or did you enter call here thinking that market will go up, or did you enter put here thinking market will come down? Please start learning. Please spend time in learning. Learning will only take you to success. Nothing else will take you to success. Okay, so we see from 30 minutes perspective. We'll just go to higher time frame for now. So from 1 hour perspective, market is still bearish. Although there was a pretty good retracement today, we can expect market to come down here and go up further. If market comes down like this, because what happens generally in expiry is, whenever we have, see, tomorrow is an expiry, right? Nifty is expiry. So whenever we have some kind of a box being formed by the market like this, where a lot of accumulations has happened, what does this accumulation means is like market is gathering volume for it to go in one of these directions, either to go upside or to go in the downward direction. So what will happen as part of expiry is market will come back, retest this place and start to go upward direction, or market, if it doesn't give a positive reaction from this box, can go down all the way, or third possibility is market can fly from here itself. These are the only three possibilities which are available in market for tomorrow. So we need to understand how the market is going to behave, where the market is going to open, and how we can plan our trades. So from the best case scenario for us is if market opens slightly gap down somewhere around 23,200, 23,210 to 20 range, then we can keep this swing point as SL, meaning 23,100 as our SL, and we can mark very clearly from a 30 minutes perspective also, this being our demand because of the change of character which we obtained. If market comes back here, then we can expect the market to go up till here. This is going to be the simplest trade. Why we are planning this is because there is an open gap that needs to be retested again. If this doesn't happen, if market opens gap up tomorrow and gives a negative reaction from here like this, then I'm interested to take the market down, something like this. Till here I'm interested to take the market down. These are the only two trades which I am planning. Whichever happens, well and good. If it doesn't happen, it's okay. I will ignore the trade for tomorrow. See, it is your hard-earned money. Please do not waste without learning how to trade. Spend time in learning the market and then start to plan your trades. That is what is going to make you profitable. Also, don't think I'm talking negatively here when I say this point. Majority of losses happen during expiry. So try to keep your capital, okay, not even quantity size. The moment you have so much capital in your demat account or brokerage account, you tend to put maximum quantities. Many people have this kind of a excuse me, many people have this kind of a problem with them, meaning like if they have 20k, 30k, 40k, they cannot trade with one lot. They will look into some contract which is at 30 rupees or 40 rupees and they will buy 650 quantities, 710 quantities, whatever the quantity sizes, that much lots they will buy, 10 lots, 12 lots, 13 lots. Don't do all that. You can do that in rest of the other days, but not during expiry. Okay. Trade at least in next expiry or wait for the market to settle down. If market gives you a proper direction, then trade accordingly. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next education video.